Did you know that the majority of Earth's oxygen comes from the oceans? Our vast oceans, teeming with life, are the true lungs of our planet. While rainforests play a vital role, it's the oceans that deserve much of the credit. Deep within the ocean's surface, a world of microscopic wonders is hard at work, producing the very air we breathe. Among these unsung heroes are phytoplankton, microscopic marine algae that play a monumental role in sustaining life on Earth. These tiny plants, adrift in the ocean currents, are the primary producers of oxygen in our oceans. Like their terrestrial counterparts, phytoplankton harness the power of sunlight to create energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This process, known as photosynthesis, is the very foundation of life on Earth. Phytoplankton, though tiny individually, exist in staggering numbers, forming vast blooms that can be seen from space. These microscopic powerhouses are responsible for producing an estimated 50 to 80% of the oxygen in our atmosphere. For every 5 breaths you take, roughly 2 to 3 of those breaths are courtesy of these remarkable marine algae. Phytoplankton form the base of the intricate marine food web, providing sustenance for a vast array of creatures, from microscopic zooplankton to giant whales. They are the primary food source for krill, tiny crustaceans that are a vital food source for countless marine animals, including penguins, seals, and even the blue whale. The health and abundance of phytoplankton populations directly impact the entire marine ecosystem. Their importance cannot be overstated, as they are the foundation of a complex and interconnected web of life that sustains our oceans and our planet. The process of photosynthesis, carried out by phytoplankton, is a marvel of nature. As sunlight penetrates the ocean's surface, it is absorbed by phytoplankton, providing the energy needed to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. This process, much like the way plants on land use sunlight to create energy, is what makes life on Earth possible. During photosynthesis, phytoplankton absorb carbon dioxide from the surrounding water, effectively acting as a carbon sink. This process helps regulate Earth's climate, mitigating the impacts of climate change. When phytoplankton dies, some of this carbon sinks to the ocean floor, effectively trapping it for centuries or even millennia. However, increasing levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere are putting immense pressure on our oceans, leading to ocean acidification and threatening marine ecosystems. The oceans are teeming with a breathtaking diversity of life, from the largest whales to the tiniest plankton. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are home to a kaleidoscope of life, supporting an estimated 25% of all marine species. These vibrant underwater cities, built by tiny animals called polyps, provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a stunning array of marine life. Mangrove forests found along tropical and subtropical coastlines are another vital habitat. These salt-tolerant trees act as nurseries for countless marine species, providing protection from predators and a rich source of food. These diverse ecosystems, interconnected and interdependent, rely heavily on the oxygen produced by phytoplankton. Disruptions to this balance, such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change, can have cascading effects, threatening the very foundation of life in our oceans. Scientists and oceanographers around the world are constantly making new discoveries about the ocean and its inhabitants. One fascinating area of study is the deep sea, a realm of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and extreme temperatures, where life thrives in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Hydrothermal vents, discovered in the late 1970s, are a prime example of the unexpected wonders found in the deep sea. These underwater geysers, spewing superheated water rich in minerals, support unique ecosystems that thrive in the absence of sunlight. Instead of photosynthesis, these ecosystems rely on chemosynthesis, where bacteria use the chemical energy from the vents to produce food. The study of the deep sea and its inhabitants is crucial for unraveling the mysteries of our planet's history and understanding the intricate connections between life on Earth and the oceans. The health of our oceans is intrinsically linked to the health of our planet and all its inhabitants. The oxygen we breathe, the food we eat, and the climate we rely on are all directly influenced by the oceans. However, our oceans are facing unprecedented threats, largely due to human activities. Pollution, from plastic waste to chemical runoff, is choking our oceans, harming marine life and contaminating our food chain. Overfishing is depleting fish populations at an alarming rate, disrupting marine ecosystems and threatening the livelihoods of millions of people. Climate change is warming our oceans, leading to rising sea levels, ocean acidification, and more frequent and intense extreme weather events. It is imperative that we act now to protect our oceans, for our sake and for the sake of generations to come. The challenges facing our oceans may seem daunting, but there is still hope. Around the world, individuals, communities, organizations, and governments are working tirelessly to protect our oceans and reverse the damage we have inflicted. Marine protected areas are being established to conserve biodiversity, manage fisheries sustainably, and safeguard critical habitats. Innovative technologies are being developed to clean up plastic pollution, monitor ocean health, and develop sustainable aquaculture practices. Education and awareness are crucial for inspiring action and fostering a sense of stewardship for our oceans. By educating future generations about the importance of ocean conservation and empowering them to be responsible citizens of the planet, we can create a wave of change. By working together, we can protect these precious ecosystems, ensuring that they continue to provide us with the oxygen we breathe, the food we eat, and the awe-inspiring beauty that sustains our spirits.